not the way.
Good day, everyone! And we are here in Dawis, one of the National Heritage Site, the Assumption of Our Lady Shrine Parish. Come and join us to explore! This watchtower is considered as a part of the national heritage because it reflects the rich history, culture, and resilience of the Philippines. Built during the Spanish colonial period, and it serves not only as a bell watchtower for the church, but also a watchtower to protect the community from pirate attacks, showing its importance in both religious and defensive roles. Its strong coral stones construction and unique design demonstrate early architecture techniques adapted to local disasters such as the 2023 Bohol earthquake. Overall, the structure stands a symbol of Filipino faith, history, and identity, which is why it is preserved and value the culture of treasure.
The Christie of Our Lady of the Assumption Shrine Parish, Dawis is an important part of the church where sacred items, disciplines, and religious objects are kept and prepared for mass. As seen in the image, it features a crucifix, religious artifacts, and additional wooden cabinets reflecting the deep Catholic faith of the community. And classic sideshow, Spanish colonial influence, highlighting both its religious and architectural value.
The sacristy is considered part of the national heritage because it preserves the history, traditions, and craftsmanship of the Philippines, serving as a living reminder of the country, cultural and spiritual identity.
This is the choir loft, Our Lady of the Assumption Shrine Parish in Dawis. It's revealed that area inside the church where singer and musician perform during Mass, helping enhance solemnity and spiritual atmosphere of worship. It is typically located above the entrance, that allows the choir's voice and music to carry clearly throughout the church, reflecting the importance of liturgical music and Catholic tradition.
This choir loft is considered part of national heritage because it showcases Spanish era church design, traditional craftsmanship, and the long-standing role of music in Filipino religious life. As a part of a historic church complex, it preserves the cultural, architectural, and spiritual identity of the Philippines, making it a valuable symbol of the nation's past and faith.
bells which are used to call the faithful to worship marks, important events, and signal emergencies, built with thick coral stone and designed to be elevated. It also served as a watchtower during the Spanish colonial period, helping protect the community from coastal threats. The belfry is considered part of the national because it reflects the architectural skills of early builders. A lasting structure that has endured time and disaster. It represents the history, faith, and resilience of the Philippines, making it an important cultural treasure. It is important to learn our historical sites because learning historical sites tells stories of the past, shaping our present and help us understand cultural heritage and identity. It also provides tangible connections to historical events and inspire appreciation and respect for history. By learning historical sites in our places, we can cultivate hidden religious beliefs and traditions that may help us mold ourselves of becoming a better one, and also we can pass it from our generation to the future so it will not be forgotten and covered by ashes of everyday life.